Hi, this is Omaha Chiropractor Dr. Christine Zorad, and I'm presenting a case study today called Arterial Blood Pressure Reduces After Chiropractic Adjustments. There's a case study in August 11th, 2014 Journal of Upper Cervical Chiropractic Research that shows that patients that are under chiropractic care have significant improvement to their blood pressure, significant positive changes to their arterial blood pressure. This is a great little case study. There's some important information for you. There is a link right below this video, so click on that and you can read it. If you have questions, call me at 402-210-8490, and I'm happy to help you. In the office, we talk about how the autonomic nervous system controls everything in the body, including your blood vessels. And there have been some numerous reports of patients reducing their blood pressure once they get started under chiropractic care. So if you have any questions and you want to talk to me about it, please give me a call. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. Google+, add me to your circle. Facebook, like my page. On my website, I have a form to fill out where you can get messages straight to your inbox. Again, this is Omaha Chiropractor Dr. Christine Zorad, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks.